Hey folks, welcome to this information video about the high-speed passenger train. I've now got lights going all the way through the train, and this is a video just how I've done it. I did get a question asked whether it was light bricks in each carriage, but I'll show you how I've done it. It's all power functions. So here we go. This is the main motorised unit. This has the battery in it. So one thing you'll notice if you look at the top of this high-speed passenger train is things are different to the normal standard one. The IR receiver is now at the back instead of the front. The power switch is the opposite way around. The pantograph is now further at the back than it is at the front on the normal standard one. So things have moved around a bit. It's got lights at the front and lots of cables, which you'll see as we take this apart. So we've got the battery unit. This is the rechargeable battery. This goes to the IR receiver. This cable is going to the IR receiver. This cable, which is plugged in, which gives the power when the signal was turned on. If we trace this all the way back, goes to this extension cable here. Basically, the extension cable is used and all the main cables are at the front. Now, just due to the height of this, I wouldn't be able to fit three of these connectors on without, well, I wouldn't be able to fit the roof on afterwards. So I've done that. So that goes, the connector goes to the front. This little black block is just the middle block in the lights. Once we do this, we've got a motor, we've got the lights at the front, and we've also got a extension cable, which when we follow it through, I think it's the middle one. So this middle connector continues through all the way, and eventually it will go through the back here. If I uncouple it, you'll see a cable going through here. So this then continues on, and I'll show you one of these. I'll show you this carriage here. As you can see, we've got a light, power functions light in there. I'll turn it on. So you can see you've got the light shining there. Now there's one of these on each side of a carriage, like so. So that's what lights up the actual carriage itself. But in here we've got the light brick has to be connected, or the power functions lights needs to be connected, and then also another extension cable. So these extension cables continue on all the way through the train. So it goes all the way along. You can see another cable there, another cable there, another cable there, until we get to the other end. And here, originally there was another battery that was driving the motor. So now in the second motorised carriage, there's just these, the end of the extension, if you look, and some more light connectors, wires. There's the actual lights that you'll see in the front or the back of the train, and it goes through to another motor at the bottom. And the motor at the bottom has been modified in such that it's been reversed the way it's going to travel, so the soldering has been switched on the actual motor inside the casing. If you want to find out how that's done, then I'll put a link to the cards now as to how to modify a motor. So that means we only need one battery in the entire train, and it's all cabled through from one end of the train to the other. So one battery gives all the power to all the lights in the train. So there you go. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you have. I'll add some footage of the train running in the dark at the end of this video, and also a link just to the full video of all the trains running in the dark. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.